Hello friends, very easy simple topic. It's how to create a PDF file from Word. Many of you get confused and don't know what's PDF and what is it's it is basically a format in which anyone can view a file. Suppose they don't have Microsoft Word, then how could they view a file? So basically you have to provide a PDF file. So what's the basic uh, idea about PDF? It's one of the best thing about PDF is suppose I am taking this font, okay? When you share this file with someone, if suppose they don't have the font, then this font will be get replaced. So for that you have to share, you have to create a PDF file. So there are multiple ways to create PDF files from Word. One of the simplest thing is if you have got the latest version, then you have to go to save as desktop. In the extension you get an PDF option over here. Okay, just creating for your reference. See, exact font, same font you have got. When you email this file to a printer, he'll just receive the font that you have saved from Word. Okay, this was one of the format, and another format is you have to basically see two things. You have to see the size. Okay, okay, size. Suppose you have created this in an A5 document. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to just go to print option, file, print, and now what you have to do, select an option PDF format. Then you have to go to page setup, paper. See, okay, it's everything is fine. Okay, A5 size, it's proper A5 size. Other if it's not in A5 size, you have to just convert in make a image size. Okay, then go to print option. It will give you an hint to save a file, desktop. Oh, okay, see, same. There are two. These are the two ways to create PDF files from Word file. If you don't have PDF in your PC, then what you have to do, go to Gmail, write a cute PDF writer. This is absolutely free. You have to download a free version. And when you click the free download, you'll get a download file. Just click next, and your PDF will be saved. And suppose you have opened the Word file, or just for an example only, you can't save as from this. You have to print it, and here it will show a cute PDF writer. Then select on cute PDF writer and see the size and print command. Same option will be repeated, and you have to save file like that. Thank you.